How to do double line spacing in Google Docs. So in this video today I'm going to show you how you can create the double line spacing. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Docs file. So we need to select text which you want to apply the double spacing like this, or you can simply select all by clicking Ctrl+A. Now we need to come to this option. If you don't find this option here in toolbar, you can go in format and go to the line and paragraph spacing here. So we can click 1.15 or 50 and we can use for double. Okay, so first we need to select the text, go to the format, you can select the double, then spacing will be double like this. You can also go to the customize spacing and you can change the spacing here like any. You can see I just hit the 5 spacing between the line. Okay, so same as you can go to the custom and make change. You can also change paragraph spacing also and line spacing, then apply. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.